Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you how to use List Perfectly. It's going to be a short video on how I list my items, on how I cross list to multiple platforms. You will go to the List Perfectly website and you go to your listings. And this is the item here that I will be listing on a small summer outfit. And you can click on the pencil and it opens up for you. And this is where you edit your pictures, but you can upload the pictures from your phone onto List Perfectly. And once you open List Perfectly from your computer, you'll see everything on it. You'll see your pictures, the description, the title. You can add the price. You can also use seller notes. You can add where you have stored the inventory, the cost of goods for that day, and when you listed the item. And once you click here, this is where you select the platforms where you would like to cross list to. I would like to cross list today to Depop, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, and Vinted. And now I hit copy and that will open up all my tabs. And then you can go straight to Depop, fill in the necessary information that it's asking you for. It's going to load all the pictures. Then you can add the necessary information, add the price, and post. You could do the same for eBay, same for Mercari, same for Poshmark, and the same for Vinted. If you'd like to try List Perfectly, this is what I have been using for the past few months. It's great. Lets you cross list very quickly to all the platforms. I do have a code, Salty and Bright. It's down in the description below if you would like to try and get 30% off your first month. If you have any other questions, leave them on the comments down below, and I will be answering any questions that you may have. We'll see you in the next video. Hope this was helpful. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like